Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your emails with Yahoo step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Yahoo sign-in page. Enter your Yahoo email address in the provided field. Click on the Next button. Input your password and click on Sign In. Once logged in, locate your account profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon and select Account Info from the drop-down menu. In the Account Info section, look for Security on the left side menu. Click on Security. Here, you will find options to enhance your email security. The first step is to enable two-step verification. Toggle the two-step verification switch to the on position. Follow the prompts to set up your phone number for verification. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code in the provided field to confirm your phone number. Next, scroll down to review the App Passwords section. Click on Manage App Passwords. Select the app you want to generate a password for, then click Generate App Password. Make a note of this password, as you'll need it to access your email through third-party applications. Now return to the Security section. Ensure that recent activity is checked for any unauthorized access. Double-check your account recovery options under Account Security. Update your recovery email and phone number if necessary. Return to your inbox and click on Settings in the top right corner. Select More Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Security tab. Enable Allow apps that use less secure sign-in only if absolutely necessary. When finished, log out of your account. Practice good password hygiene by regularly updating your password. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials securely. Regularly review your account settings to maintain security. By following these steps, your Yahoo email will be more secure and protected from unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.